So where are we now?
We are in Krishna. Krishna is the store for a gift shop. Basically, it's a gift shop. The largest gift shop in Bali.
The largest?
Okay.
Wow. Alright, let's go this place and check it out. Let's see what they have here. Let's go. Look at this place. Dude, this place is huge. You wanna wear something like that, Gabriel? You wanna wear something like that?
No, I don't want to buy anything.
Alright. Gabriel, Sam, Jeremy, James, look at this. Oh, don't touch, okay? We can only look the beauty of this. Whoa, this place is huge.
So cool.
So I see there like three levels. This is the first floor here. I think they sells foods.
This is the Bali View. Bali View's banana cake. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try. Let's give it a try. Banana cake, everyone. It's good.
Bali banana crispy.
This is called the kue kacang.
Kue kacang.
Kue kacang is like peanut cookie. Peanut cookies is the tester. Peanut cookies, everyone.
Salad Bali. Anybody knows what is this? This is called salad. This is kopi luwak. You guys know what kopi luwak is? It's a poop coffee. Kacang mente. See a lot of snacks here. This is about 31,000 rupiah. More here. A lot of peanuts snacks here. Kacang disco. This is one of my favorite peanut. We are at the peanut area here. So many different peanuts here. This is Matahari peanut. It's like 22,500 rupiah. I like peanuts. Oh, there's more peanut here. A lot of chocolates here too. This one interesting. We are in a cracker area here. Look at this. Kerupuk kulit sapi, 25,000. Whoa, more crackers. Don't know, man. So much crackers. Okay, we're on Sets area. This is Balinese Albert Einstein. This is the brothers.
You like this?
Wow.
Bali Surf Club.
There's so many shirts here.
Bali style like that?
Bali.
Okay, that's actually cool. You
like
it?
that?
Okay.
This
What
is
color
actually
you want?
also cool. Can you read this? It's like a shirt protects your eyes.
Bali always looks clear. Luminous.
Alright, we're gonna go to the second floor now. Let's go. Look at all this decoration. This is new, by the way. It's a beautiful place here. So definitely, if you're going to Bali and you want to look for the gift shop, this is the place right here. Wonder what it's doing. Want to show you guys something? Come here.
Oh my, I know what that is.
What is this, Sion? Oh, no, not that one. This. What is this, Sion? Alright, put that down.
For massaging.
Oh, for back massage. Like that. Alright, more souvenir here. Oh. 157,000 rupiah. This place is huge. Oh, let's check out the painting. How much is the koi painting?
1.5 million rupiah.
1.5 million rupiah. That's very big. Comparison with my hand.
Woman, it's only men.
Well, this is Bali Last Supper. Oh, there's more even all the way down there.
I think we're lost, no cap.
No, we're not lost. Look at this painting. Does it really look like a lion?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm on the third floor now. I think they are selling the same stuff here. Except this outfit here is more like batik style. This is a very colorful shirt. Alright, that's the all the third floor.
You're good then.
Oh, check this out, it's very cool. We're gonna cross the street in Bali now.
It's impossible.
Alright, with us luck. How are we gonna cross this? There's no traffic lights. I think that's all. I think that's our queue. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
He's an expert.
We have one more layer to go. Alright, now we're at Keranjang. I think this is one of the gift area too. Gift shop. Like a
Yes.
very nice one. So we're gonna check it out.
Really nice building.
Whoa.
Look at that. Look at that. Say hi.
Pretty cool decoration here.
President Choco Spa.
Look at this place. Oh, interesting. So this is the second shopping area. I guess this is pretty popular here in Bali. So come and join us to explore this place.
I want these.
Alright, first thing we see a lot of toys, dolls here. Wow, this is the fish that we ate yesterday.
Actually?
Yeah. Yo. Interesting, 75,000 rupiah. Pantai Jimbaran. Oh, we have the rice paddy here. Okay, they do sell coffee here. This is the ginger coffee, luwak coffee, chocolate area. I love Bali. You can take a picture here too, give us sit down there. We need the chocolate.
Where's Zion?
I know, right? Zion should have come with us. 1, 2, 3, smile. They designed the place is like IKEA. Do you guys notice?
Yeah.
You know, they have this. They have the path that you have to follow. So they make sure you see everything they gets to offer.
Go to the suite.
Alright, different area here. This is the Pakaian Adat Bali. So it's the traditional outfit for Balinese. And this guy's found a swing.
How big can you go?
Yep.
Over at sink.
If you're wondering where Zion is still stuck at the other places with my in-laws. The reason is because they're not finished shopping there. And we come here just to want to do a quick tour for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Our trip in Bali is not even near end yet. This is all the music traditional in Bali. This is called rindik. Okay, got a new place. We are on the bridge, Atun Bridge. Oh, you can fit the fish here.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh wow, yeah.
This is the candy area.
Let's eat the lollipop.
Nah. Grandma hair.
Trim my hair.
This reminds me of Hershey Park. Yes?
Yeah. Hello. Shopping area.
Alright, so this is an area where you can take pictures wearing a Balinese traditional dress. This is, I guess, the makeup area here, and collections of the hats, the costume, and example of the photo is gonna be something like this. Kind of dress gonna be something like that, the full dress costume. There you go. And this is the backdrop, place where you take pictures. Interesting, eh? This is part of the backdrop too. Take picture here. It's actually more area to explore. This place is huge. Now we are going to more like regular clothes where they sell makeup, shoes, sandals, accessories. This is interesting. This is Food Series T-shirt editions.
So
This
cute.
is Sate Lilith. Pate here. Fish. What is this? This is the tom ayam. All women's souvenirs and the handbags. And I think that's it. Of course, they also sell some paintings, some batiks. So it's similar to the other stores. But that's about it. But this store is more interesting. The designs, you know, the decoration is very interesting, and it's more attractable. So today we're eating at Waha, or you can also call it Waha. It's a specialized pork. We are eating the baby back ribs here. Wow. Check this out. I also having the coleslaw and the champu here. I'm gonna join with Cecilia. If you want, we can also add some. This is the barbecue sauce.
The barbecue sauce.
The barbecue sauce.
So yummy. I'll show you. So crunchy. You like it, right? Yummy? Hi everyone, welcome to Bali. Today is the 5th day of our stay in Bali, and today we're gonna start our day getting pai susu.
What is pai susu?
Pai susu is basically more like a tart, but it's more milk concentrated. And this place is the most favorite and most popular one. You see like the crispy pork, right? But this one is the crispy banana. They say it's really good.
Alright, we got two.
Have a
We
bite.
bought these durian snacks here. Let's try this. Oh, this is the
This smells so bad.
the back. I wish you can smell this.
With the actress.
But there's a cat there.
This is the babi guling, nasi babi guling. The crispy pork, crispy. There's some sausage, some chicken, some veggies. Come with this yellow soup too. All kind of spicy flavor. You know, this one is separate. You order the satay, barbecue, spicy. Very good.
Apparently this is actually someone's house. We went inside here to their bathroom, and we can see people actually living inside there. They use their front area of the house to become a restaurant. Restaurant in Bali here is very common like that. Alright, it does feel like in the US now. 1, 2, 3. So they have Mango, they have Foot Lockers, Tommy Hilfiger, Pandora. Very, very Americanized mall. So they also have Samsung here. This is Foot Lockers.
Where's the... Huh?
I think there's food area here. Interesting, they have a lot of stands. They make the stands look like a little boat in the water, and they start selling stuff. Guess what I found in Bali? We have Subway here. Cold Stone.
Wow, they have the Minion ice cream.
Third floor is the lunch area. I know downstairs they sell food as well, but here this is lunch area here. They have the Japanese kimukatsu. We're gonna check the lower level now.
This is full of food.
More food, a lot of stands that are selling some snacks, maybe some juice.
Bibimbap.
Look at these stalls. They're selling a lot of good food here. I don't know what that is though. Cangkim Bandung Makuni. Oh, sate.
If they were giving free steak, would you take
No,
it?
there's nasi kebuli dan kambing guling. Wow. That smells good. Ketan susu Kemayoran. Oh, this is the one that we ate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh no, it's different.
I have no idea.
Do you guys notice that the stand is like a boat? Yeah, it's like in a boat. Itu bahasa Batagor Cuplis.
Yes.
Oh, they fried it. Oh, they also have vegan.
Oh.
What kind of vegan is this? Oh, it's just juice. Pawon sorbitan. Mango smoothie.
And mango sticky rice.
Wanna try to go outside?
No.
Why?
You said later.
No, just go now. What animal is this again?
Lobster.
No, that's not lobster. Anybody know? Comment down below. Woo, look at that. Be careful, don't step on it. Watch your step. Oh, they can play volleyball here too.
Why would someone try?
Okay, try not to get your Crocs dirty, guys. The sand is very wet. Is it already? Just walk very slowly. Don't kick the sands away. Okay, can you guys look at me real quick to run pictures? Oh. Time. Glad that the rain stopped. It's actually very nice today. The weather is nice. I think it's because of the rains. It really drops the temperatures. Not sure about maybe about 70 something degree right now, and there's no sun. The wind is blowing. Very nice. Guys, if you like this video so far, our Bali adventure is not even near end. So come and join us. We're gonna explore more on the next days, and we're gonna bring you to more fun places. So I want to say thank you again for joining our Rainiers family vacations in the month of July right now. Yeah, and yeah, we have more places to go. So don't forget to like, share, and consider subscribe. That's not a shell. That's probably something else.
Look, you could go inside of it.
No, Gabriel, something else.
Ah!